Привет! My pseudonym was Dushny, Podushki Pavnovri. Wait a minute. Just because I am Russian does not mean I'm stupid, okay? Hello, my name is Svetlana, and I'm from Moscow. I'm your Wednesday host on the Trashcan Tribe YouTube channel. And today's, or I should say this week's question is, if you could be an animal, what would you be? And would you eat this animal? Well, I have a story. Back when I was a little girl in old country, I had a household pet, and her name was Chebroshka. I'm not sure what the English word could be, but it's got the ears and the whiskers and the teeth. A pussy! That's what it was. It was a pussy. I had a pussy when I was little. She was very cute, very furry, and we used to play with her all the time. All my friends loved to play with my pussy. They just would stroke her every day, pet her, and they loved her. And then one day my pussy got very sick. She had a tumor. And unfortunately we had to, what is the word? Go down on my pussy? No, not go down on my pussy. We had to put down my pussy. We had to euthanize her. So, we put her down, and we were very poor. Okay, we did not have a lot of money for food, so we used my pussy's meat for dinner that night. Yes. My entire family ate my pussy. And it was delicious. Soviet Russia, pussy eats you. So that answers this week's question of what animal would you be? I'd be a pussy. And yes, I've already eaten pussy. I've eaten lots of pussy. It was very delicious, whatever. Don't judge.